Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to another day of beautiful school day. So, first things first, we are going to say good morning. Welcome to class. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's go ahead and go over the days of the week. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Oh, I'm sorry. The month is April. What is the month? April. So let's say it all together. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Let's do it again. Get ready. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. The weather today is going to be partly sunny. And it is going to be warm and around 75 degrees. News updates, just remember to continue to wash your hands all the time. Remember, count to 20 or just say the ABC. And let's make sure we complete all of our assignments daily. And don't forget, submit your pictures so that we can share. Remember to be active. Work out, run, walk, soccer, basketball, exercise, do anything you can to stay active. And drink a lot of water. For your social skills, I want you to talk about fun things that you're still doing. What foods and snacks are you eating? I know I'm eating a lot of chocolates and hot Cheetos. I play with my dogs. I train them for my dog shows. What do you do? In case you need to contact me, you have my email address. You can contact me through Reminder WhatsApp. I'm available from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Now let's go ahead and get started.